Welcome to Kanya International Services. How are you now?
I'm perfectly fine, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Minnie Magbalay, 36 years of age, single and no babies.
Do you have an experience as domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am, here in the Philippines.
What are your main duties and responsibilities before?
Taking care of the baby, do some household chores like washing, cleaning, ironing.
What about taking care of a newly born baby? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying at night?
First, I need the body temperature, check the body temperature using thermometer. Feed her if she's hungry and check the diaper if full and need to change for a new one.
How about if the baby has fever? What will you do?
After checking of the body temperature, I need to inform my employer immediately.
Do you know how to tutor the children?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the subject?
Some basic English, mathematics, and science.
What are your reasons why you want to work in Hong Kong?
To save for my family.
Do you know how to sing any nursery rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing for us.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my first lady.
Can you please give us your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, madam. If you hire me as your helper, I promise that I can work hard and I can give my full attention to you and to your babies. And since I am single, homesick is not a problem with me. I can promise that I can be a great help to you and to your family, and I'll be loyal to you.